आप सुन रहे हैं SBS हिंदी। अपने रेडियो पर हर शाम सुनिए हमारा कार्यक्रम। आप हमारा कार्यक्रम हमारी वेबसाइट पर और SBS मोबाइल ऐप द्वारा सुन सकते हैं। sbs.com.au/hindi पर जाएं।
हर साल किंग्स बर्थडे ऑनर्स के तहत ऑस्ट्रेलिया में उन नागरिकों का सम्मान किया जाता है जिन्होंने अपने क्षेत्र में उल्लेखनीय योगदान दिया हो। OAM यानी मेडल ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया सामुदायिक या पेशेवर सेवाओं के लिए दिया जाता है। वहीं PSM यानी पब्लिक सर्विस मेडल किसी सरकारी विभाग में उत्कृष्ट सेवा के लिए दिया जाता है और AM यानी मेंबर ऑफ द ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया किसी क्षेत्र में लंबे और प्रभावशाली योगदान की पहचान करता है। इस साल 3 भारतीय मूल के ऑस्ट्रेलियाई बिंदी शाह, बीना चंद्रा और दिवंगत डॉक्टर सजीव कोशी इन अलग अलग श्रेणियों में राष्ट्रीय सम्मान से नवाजे गए हैं। सिडनी स्थित बिंदी शाह को इस साल मेडल ऑफ ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया यानी OAM से सम्मानित किया गया है। वे वाइज किड्स वर्ल्ड की सह संस्थापक हैं और पिछले 1 दशक से शिक्षा को बढ़ावा देने के लिए विभिन्न स्कूलों और संगठनों के साथ फंड रेजिंग करती रही हैं। इससे पूर्व 2002 से 2019 तक उन्होंने सालाना गराज सेल के जरिए मैरी मैकलप फाउंडेशन, रूम टू रीड और पापुआ न्यू गिनी के येगेली स्कूल जैसी संस्थाओं के लिए लाखों डॉलर तक जुटाए। वे कहती हैं कि OAM का सम्मान दिखाता है कि वे सही दिशा में आगे बढ़ रही हैं।
Look, the recognition was a really pleasant surprise. It also means that it's a nice way to validate that we are on the right track and that we all contribute to society through whatever interests us. So I've been involved in fundraising for over 10 years now. We started at school when my children in primary school to give them an idea of how empathy is, how we can help other children. As we all know, education is very vital. So we just started little with fundraising and that's where it all began.
वे ये भी मानती हैं कि शिक्षा में निवेश भविष्य में निवेश करना है।
I hope it will inspire them. I also hope that it doesn't matter. You start really small. It's obviously hard work. You will hit failures on the way, but you keep going. And no matter, I always tell parents of young kids, school is the best place to start with your kids. That way you're involved with your kids and you're doing something for the community as well.
दूसरी ओर बीना चंद्रा को DFAT यानी विदेश मंत्रालय में ओवरसीज प्रॉपर्टी ऑफिस में उनकी उत्कृष्ट सेवाओं के लिए PSM से नवाजा गया है। उन्होंने काबुल, बैंकॉक, यंगून और पेरिस जैसे शहरों में ऑस्ट्रेलियाई मिशनों की जटिल निर्माण परियोजनाओं को पूर्ण किया है। वे बताती हैं कि उन्होंने DFAT कैसे ज्वाइन किया।
I am South Indian by background. I immigrated to Australia in 1998 and I joined DFAT in 2007. I joined the Overseas Property Office because I'm an architect with a master's degree in urban design. The Overseas Property Office manages constructions, fit-outs, and the strategic planning for the Commonwealth's overseas estate and all of the diplomatic missions overseas. So that, I guess, in a nutshell, is how I ended up in DFAT.
उनके माता-पिता भी भारत में सरकारी सेवक ही थे। देश सेवा उनकी विरासत है।
I come from a public service family. Both of my parents were in the public service in the medical field. In Bangalore, actually, they worked in Kerala, Karnataka. Ever since they graduated from their medical schools, they joined the public service and they were committed public servants with a lot of integrity. And I think that just we imbibed the concept of doing public service and the good that it can bring. And that's something that I have always humbled by my role as a public servant. It's not just about the individual, it's about the influence and the change that you can bring about to many people.
उनका कहना है कि फिलहाल वे अपनी नौकरी में खुश हैं.
DFAT has been great, my role in the Overseas Property Office, just because of the diverse types of projects we deliver, and no two countries are ever the same. Given that, I think at this point in time, I'm still going to be in the Overseas Property Office, because I think in this role, I'm able to both get job satisfaction as well as use my skills effectively.
वे ये भी कहती हैं कि हर बार चुनौतियां तो अनगिन रहीं, लेकिन उनकी टीम के समर्थन ने उन्हें हर बार सफलता दिलाई है.
There's so many people who've been involved in any initiative that I've worked on. So the credit goes to a lot of people in DFAT, consultants, contractors, workers all around the world who have made it possible to deliver so many of DFAT's initiatives.
वहीं दिवंगत डॉक्टर सजीव कोशी को इस साल मरणोपरांत मेंबर ऑफ ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया की उपाधि मिली है. वे डेंटल हेल्थ सर्विसेज विक्टोरिया के प्रमुखों में से एक थे. हमसे बात करते हुए उनके पुत्र जितिन सजीव ने बताया कि उनके परिवार के लिए ये एक अप्रत्याशित खुशखबरी रही है.
Yeah, so look, I think for the family and for myself, this is rather unexpected, but obviously we're very happy our father's been honored in such a way, which is, I guess, which is a validation for the work he's put in over the years towards sort of public dentistry.
वे कहते हैं कि उन्हें उनके पिता की परोपकारी स्वभाव और डेंटिस्ट्री के मूलभूत ढांचे में किए गए बदलाव सबसे ज्यादा गौरवान्वित करते हैं.
In some respects, it's a little thing. So he spent a lot of time with migrant dentists who, arriving in Australia for the first time. It's very hard to navigate the services here, and he did a lot of teaching in that cohort, and also he sort of helped them navigate the system a bit more, just to alleviate their journey, because he's gone through the same thing himself, decades ago. But on the other hand, he's also made significant structural changes at a board level, at a national level. He was part of the board, National Dental Board. So it's a bit hard to tease out, is the small things that you're helping people personally with, or the more wider things that you're helping the community with.
वे बताते हैं कि सेवा भाव उनके पिता में बचपन से ही था.
For him, it's been there since, I suspect, from a young age, just listening to stories and things from his friends and things when we were little in India. He was sort of part of youth groups when he was in India in college. Even when we were children, he was quite heavily involved in Rotary International. He would, in fact, go work with migrant communities in Hong Kong, refugee groups in South America, and we've sort of seen and heard that since we were sort of 7, 8, 9 years of age. So I think this is something that's been very important for him, even before he was in Australia or New Zealand, when he was back in India. So in some ways, that's been part of him.
जितिन याद करते हैं कि उन्होंने बचपन से ही अपने पिता को ऐसे सेवा भाव में लिप्त देखा.
But for me personally, to be honest, it's just being helpful. Many times when I used to live at home, for example, when I was younger, you wake up in the morning, or wake up late on a Saturday or whatever, come down, and there's someone I've never met before sitting there having coffee with my dad. And a lot of those used to be people coming to get some advice. So I think from my perspective, a lot of what he's done is just being helpful. And, everyone can be helpful in their own ways, and you don't need to have a master plan for that. And I think that's something he probably took as a core value.
डॉक्टर सजीव कोशी को साल 2016 में मेडल ऑफ ऑर्डर ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया से नवाजा गया था. क्लिनिकल लीडरशिप, पॉलिसी, ट्रेनिंग और समुदाय से सीधे जुड़ाव के जरिए उन्होंने चिकित्सा सेवा को एक जन आंदोलन बनाया. डॉक्टर जितिन कोशी कहते हैं कि समुदाय उन्हें इन्हीं बातों के लिए याद भी रखेगा.
What people remember is, what someone's memories of someone else. And I think for him, ultimately, what he's been effective at doing is someone who's helpful. And it doesn't matter where you are, you can be helpful in your own way. And I think he's been quite helpful from a social justice standpoint when he was in India, when he was in Australia, he's done the same thing. And I think if you are helpful, you'll find ways to help. Ultimately, I hope, hopefully the community remembers him as someone who was there, who can provide some advice or who can provide a bit of help when someone needed it.
साल 2022 में कैंसर के चलते डॉक्टर सजीव कोशी OAM AM दुनिया को अलविदा कह गए। SBS गुजराती और SBS तमिल के इनपुट के साथ आपके लिए इस रिपोर्ट को प्रस्तुत किया SBS हिंदी से वृशाली जैन ने।
SBS रेडियो से डाउनलोड करने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद। हमारा पूरा कार्यक्रम आप कैसे सुने, इसके लिए sbs.com.au/hindi पर जाएं।